Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is November 1st, 2021. Monday morning, let's take a look on the Forex calendar. Chinese data released overnight were in form of market final manufacturing PMI, and those readings beat the expectations slightly, but always something. 50.6 versus 50.2, and the previous reading was 50. So that's a kind of a good data from China. During the London session, we don't have too many important data. We got something like retail sales from Germany. They are dropping very hard, minus 2.5% versus 0.5% increase, and 1.2 for the month of September. So this is a very big decline. We got the purchasing index from the Switzerland. We got PMI manufacturing data from UK scheduled for release at 11:30, and then during the New York session we have a manufacturing PMI from Canada scheduled for release 3:30, and then we got, of course, ISM manufacturing data scheduled for release at 4 p.m. So this is the calendar for today. Let's take a look at some charts. First, we are going to start with the Australian dollar. As you can see, we already hit the 100% Fibonacci projection level. This level is at 7,538 pips. We beat this level a little bit because high was at 7,556, so it's about 20 pips. But the bulls tried once, they were neglected. After 1 week they tried again, they were neglected. So it looks like there is a huge bearish party organizing against the bulls, and they are trying to push the prices again towards 7,483 and then against 7,415. Moreover, as you can see, we got new higher high on price, no new high on the RSI indicator, which means this is a negative divergence. So we can go a little bit lower in the form of this local pullback, and I think the next target for bears is 7,415. Of course, if we get below this level, then it's getting even worse for bulls. The key short-term technical support is 7,415 and 7,318 pips. So that's the Australian dollar. Let's take a look at majors, because we got bad data from the Germany. As you can see, very big bearish engulfing pattern. So we got this level of 1.1662. I've been talking about this level for quite some time. I even changed the color for the support, right? It was green, but no. Even despite the fact that the one day the bulls broke above this level, because they were trying for almost all week to break it and they couldn't. Just after they break, the next day neglected. Bearish engulfing pattern, big bearish engulfing pattern, big denial candle, as I call it. This is a denial candle. This is like someone calling in poker, yeah, check, yeah, I'm going to check you. And that was the bluff. Basically, that was bluff checking. So it looks like we are going to hit 1.1525. This is the last known technical support, but this is not good for bulls. This is not good for bulls because we are getting very close to the level of 1.15, and then 50% of the Fibonacci retracement, 1.1497, and then of course the next target for bears is 1.1422. But this is very low. Those levels will be the last resort for bulls, right? Because those levels the last time were hit in 2019. So as you can see here, this is not good. That was the breakout 2020, and they were hit 2019. So it's not very good. This is 2019 January. This is March. So please keep an eye on this level, because it looks like we are going a little bit even lower than this level. In a bigger perspective, of course, we might even hit 61% of the Fibonacci retracement of the whole post-COVID rally, located at 1.1295. All right, so that's the euro dollar. So if we are talking about the euro dollar, let's check the American dollar to Japanese yen, of course. There you go. Let's find out what is going on here. They're supposed to be doing the wave 4 here, and it looks like the wave 4 is done. Look like the wave 4 is done, but please notice the fact that as long as we are trading below the high of the wave 3, located at 114.71, okay, the wave 4 might develop. The wave 4 still might develop into more complex and time-consuming correction. That correction is, of course, the bigger in the wave 2, or almost equal the wave 2. So that's fine. We got nice rally here, but it doesn't mean we are done with the wave 4. If we are, however, okay, then of course wave 5 will be in progress, and the next target for the wave 5 is a little bit higher than 115. I would guess 115.50 would be the first target. Let me just take a look at what we have to do. Fibonacci projection, another Fibonacci projection. If this is the low for the wave 4, then the target for the wave 5 might be a little bit extended. Let me just put the correct value on the screen. 0.61 is even higher. 116.65 might be a target for the wave 5, and that's the first projection for the proportion of the waves. As you can see, the wave 1 is kind of a nicely done. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves in wave 3, A, B, C, wave 4, and now we are making wave 5. So one more measure maybe, so we can have some kind of I think we should have some cluster, maybe one, not enough. 1.68, so 2.68. There you go. 2.68 is the next 2.68, or maybe the level of 2.27. Oh, there you go. It's even better. So the cluster is between 116.58, 116.85, or 117.09. So that's the target for the wave 5. We will see how it will manifest itself. Let's take a look at the crude oil now, because we are done with the US dollar to Japanese yen. Crude oil is not doing much, but please notice the fact that we are still trading inside of the channel with the current very nice shooting star candlestick pattern that I was talking about. And of course 85.39, and of course this is correction here. It looks like we got like 5%, 564, which is bigger than those corrections here. A little bit too much, about 1.5%. However, long shadows on candles that were made on a daily time frame chart. This is down shadow. Okay, so maybe that will be much more visible. Those shadows are telling us that bulls are still buying the lows and pushing the prices higher. So maybe we should see very, very soon another test of 84.10 and then 85.39. And last but not least, Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? It looks like we are still developing our wave 4. The target was 55,841. The low, however, so far was made at 57,693. We are missing $2,000. But this is definitely longer correction in price and time so far. Nevertheless, this still might be, excuse me, didn't want to move the whole structure, that's the low of the wave 4, there you go. However, there is a possibility that this impulsive here movement is the wave 1 of the wave 5, that might be wave 2 of the wave 5, and if we see breakout apparently above 66,938, that means of course this is the wave 3 of the wave 5, because there is still wave 5 to be made towards $77,000. So we have to wait. Again, the same situation as it was in the US dollar to Japanese yen. We have to wait for the breakout at least above 64,738, ideally 66,938. Okay, so right now it still looks a little bit too much corrective, but they are working on it. Definitely they are working on it, and as you can see, momentum is still strong, is still positive, 650, almost 60 points right now. So good job, bulls. We are waiting for higher prices on Bitcoin. So that's everything for me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye. Hello traders, and welcome to another video review. Today is November 1st, 2021, Monday morning. Let's take a look on the Forex calendar. Chinese data released overnight were in form of market final manufacturing PMI, and those readings